गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपकी क्लास टीचर मिसेस अंशु। आज हम एसएसटी के सिलेबस को आगे बढ़ाते हुए कौन सा लेसन पढ़ रहे हैं? 15th लेसन। आज हम सिर्फ इसकी रीडिंग करेंगे, ठीक है। कल हम इसको समझेंगे। आज हम इसको पढ़ लेते हैं सिर्फ रीडिंग के तौर पे। तो इंडस्ट्रीज़ क्या होती हैं? उद्योग कहाँ पर? इन इंडिया, हमारे इंडिया में क्या क्या उद्योग हैं, कितने टाइप्स के हैं, कैसे काम करते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ पे हैं ये उद्योग, इन चीज़ों के बारे में हम इस लेसन में हमें जानकारी मिलेगी, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले हम इस लेसन में क्या पढ़ेंगे? यू विल लर्न ग्रोथ ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज, टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज एंड एनवायरमेंट। तो देखो कि डैड, व्हाट आर दीज यूटेंसिल्स मेड ऑफ? They are made of steel. Do you know how steel is turned into utensils? What is the bag made of? The bag is made of jute. The raw materials such as steel and jute are changed into finished products in factories. तो food products, paper, pencil, bag, clothes, utensils, tools, scooters, car, trains and aeroplanes, everything is made by processing raw materials in factories. Making or producing things from raw materials in factories is called an industry. Cotton industries or telecom industries are a few examples of industries. Growth of industries. So different industries such as sugar, cycle, textile and sports makes different kind of goods or products. These industries use raw materials to make product. Machines and human labor convert these raw materials into finished good. Various factors are responsible for the growth of industries. Let us learn about these factories. Raw materials are the most important factor for any industry. Without raw material, industries cannot produce anything. For example, cotton clothes are made from cotton fiber. All the industries run on power provided by various means such as diesel, petrol, coal, oil, and electricity. Various machines are needed to convert raw material into finished products in industries. Human resources, one, are needed to convert raw material to finished products in industries. Human resources is one of the most important aspects of any industries. The machines in our industries are run by skilled workers. Money is the basic requirement for purchasing land, machinery and paying salaries to the employees. Let us explore what according to you are some of the skill needed to work in industries. तो टाइप्स, सबसे पहले हैं टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज। टाइप्स क्या हैं इंडस्ट्रीज के? इंडस्ट्रीज कैन डिफाइन एज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कलेक्टिंग रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड मेकिंग them into finished goods in factories, distributing them depending upon the size of an industry. In industries, the kind of machine used, it the number of people working in it. In industries can be grouped into three categories. सबसे पहले है cottage industries. Some peoples make things in their house houses for which very few individuals are needed. Mostly family members work together and make these things. Such industries are called cottage industries. Making shoes, weaving cloth and shawls and blankets, making candles, basket, making jam and pickle making, and poetry and example of cottage industries. चलो ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे। कल हम स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, हैव ए नाइस डे।